Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare bubble tea. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of this beloved beverage, tracing its humble beginnings to its current global phenomenon. We'll uncover the key differences and similarities between its original form and the diverse creations we enjoy today. Get ready to discover which era of bubble tea truly reigns supreme in taste and innovation. Let's journey back to the 1980s, where bubble tea first emerged in Taiwan. The original concoction was delightfully simple, a robust black tea base, often sweetened with a touch of sugar, blended with creamy milk, and of course those signature chewy tapioca pearls. This classic combination, typically served in a 500 milliliter cup, laid the foundation for a global sensation, emphasizing pure, unadulterated flavor. Fast forward to today, and bubble tea has transformed into an incredibly diverse and customizable experience. Beyond traditional black tea, you'll find fruit teas, herbal infusions, and even coffee-based options. The topping selection has exploded, featuring everything from popping boba and various jellies to rich cheese foam. With precise control over sweetness, ice levels, and countless flavor combinations, modern bubble tea truly caters to every individual preference. So, which is better? The classic simplicity of traditional bubble tea or the boundless innovation of its modern counterpart? Traditionalists often cherish the authentic, straightforward flavors and nostalgic charm of the original. However, modern bubble tea's incredible variety, from exotic fruit blends to unique toppings and precise customization, offers an exciting adventure for the palate. Ultimately, the best bubble tea is the one that brings you the most joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.